Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Cornbread Marker using an easy method. First, ensure your game is updated to the latest version to access all features. Next, navigate to the specific game area where the marker is located. This method focuses on efficiency, saving you time and effort. We'll cover the exact steps to follow, making the process straightforward for everyone. Get ready to add this special item to your collection quickly and without any hassle. To pinpoint the Cornbread Marker, begin by traveling to the old farm area within your game. Once there, locate the distinctive red barn, then proceed directly east for about 50 paces. You will find a small, dilapidated shed nestled among some tall corn stalks. This shed is your primary target. The marker is not immediately visible, so you'll need to interact with objects inside. This precise location ensures you won't waste time searching elsewhere. Once you've reached the shed, carefully enter and look for a stack of old wooden crates in the far corner. There will be approximately 3 crates stacked vertically. Focus on the middle crate. It has a slightly different texture. Interact with this specific crate by pressing your action button. The crate will open, revealing the Cornbread Marker. Simply walk over it to automatically add it to your inventory. It's a quick and satisfying process. After collecting the Cornbread Marker, always double-check your in-game inventory to confirm its successful acquisition. Sometimes, a quick game restart can help if it doesn't immediately appear. This easy method is designed to be repeatable, so you can guide others through the process too. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Happy collecting, and enjoy your new marker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.